What is mindful breathing?
Mindful breathing is a simple practice that involves paying close attention to your breath as it moves in and out. It helps you ground yourself in the present moment, calm your mind, and reduce stress. Unlike regular breathing, mindful breathing emphasizes awareness, allowing your thoughts to come and go without getting caught up in them.
Why practice mindful breathing?
Practicing mindful breathing can improve concentration, reduce anxiety, and support emotional regulation. It's a quick, accessible tool you can use anywhere, whether you need to refocus, unwind, or prepare for a stressful situation. Consistent mindful breathing can also promote better sleep and support overall mental well-being.
How do I start with mindful breathing?
Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit or stand. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Gently bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of air moving in through your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body with each exhale. Aim to observe, not control your breathing.
What should I do if my mind wanders?
It's completely normal for your mind to wander during mindful breathing. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently return your focus to your breath. Don't judge yourself or force anything. Acknowledge the distraction and then let it go, bringing your attention back to each inhale and exhale.
How long should I practice each day?
Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can be beneficial. Many people start with 2 to 5 minutes and gradually increase to 10 or more as they feel comfortable. You can practice mindful breathing several times a day, whenever you need a moment of calm or clarity.
Can mindful breathing support daily life?
Absolutely. Mindful breathing can be used during work, before tests, while dealing with conflict, or whenever you need to reset. Over time, practicing mindful breathing regularly helps you respond to challenges with greater patience and awareness, making it a valuable tool for daily life.